So we have a housemate who cleans our floor with a wet mop. Sometimes she mops up impurities like house gecko droppings. Does doing that cause the impurities to spread further? And sometimes when she doesn't clean carefully, some little traces of the gecko droppings still remain after mopping, and I am certain about it. Does that mean that all the floor that the mop touched is now impure because she mops a whole room without washing the mop again? How far do wet impurities spread before stopping?
If you see traces of impurity, this is certainty that you cannot mess around with. So when you have proof there is impurity, then this is najis. When you don't have proof, the default is everything is pure until proven otherwise. And when you know that your cleaner does this, you have to scold her and tell her not to use the same mop when she washes or wipes off impurity, and then use it without washing it first to mop the other areas